everybody. Bob82Pops Breaks. It is a Sunday, September the 20th. We are breaking a Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 33 remaining box numbers. We got number 9. We did random teams for it on the left. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized to give everyone a chance to trade. I had a few offers, but nothing went down. I'm just going to double check those one last time. I am not seeing anything, guys. So here we go. Trading is closed, everybody. Well, we finally got one of our F7s. One of them still a little bit farther down there, guys. That is going to be the Tennessee spot, though. And the A.J. Brown Hydro F7. Finally found one of our others there, the Hydro F7 JSA. Sticker and card, guys, and on some of these, I don't know why. Again, the sticker is below the collar. Don't think there's no sticker. It is there. They put it below the collar. I don't know why they do that sometimes. I think they're signed before they finish building them or something. But that is going to be Tennessee spot, folks. Finally found something else. Well, I had just said Shannon hadn't hit squat in a long time, guys. And sure enough, Shannon's going to take the Antonio Brown. She's a good-looking helmet, I'll tell you that, man. Really nice looker. Well, folks, we finally found one of our F7s, one of our ones farther down on that list, but still a very nice break. All right, Shannon. I'm going to take one of Shannon's out there. Good Lord, Tobe, I know I got to get you a damn hit there, bud. I'm very sorry here. We got a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Well, we got DMP and Brianna are going to be the qualifiers, folks. I'm very sorry, everybody else there, folks. That is going to wrap up that one at Breakers.TV, YouTube, Facebook. You all have a wonderful night.